Welcome to the future of transportation. In this video, from gravity-defying bikes to cutting-edge robotic companions, explore the most innovative vehicles redefining mobility. Join us on a thrilling ride into tomorrow's technology. Gravity Bike. The Gravity Bike is designed for one thing: speeding downhill. It's a special type of bike that relies on the force of gravity to move. Unlike traditional bicycles, this one doesn't need a chain or pedals. It's all about coasting. Even though it looks simple, the Gravity Bike is built for speed. On the right slope, you can reach up to 80 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on a city street. But speed isn't its only feature. The designers made sure the ride is smooth and relaxing. As you cruise downhill, you can enjoy the sound of the wind and the feel of the open road. The Gravity Bike is surprisingly lightweight too, weighing only about 75 pounds. Its wheels are large, up to 20 inches in size, to ensure stability and better control during your ride. The seat is made from a material called Mini-Cell 200. It's soft, comfortable, and great at absorbing shocks and vibrations. This means you'll have a steady ride even on bumpy paths. Want to build your own gravity bike? You're in luck. There's a step-by-step guide with detailed pictures available on a website called Instructables.com. It's a fun and rewarding project if you're up for a challenge. So, if you're into thrilling downhill rides or looking for a unique DIY adventure, the Gravity Bike might be just what you need. Petoi Robot Dog. Meet the Petoi Beetle, a palm-sized robot dog with amazing abilities. This little robot can walk, run, jump, and even do backflips. Powered by a custom Arduino board, the Petoi Beetle moves with precision and smoothness. It's built from sturdy yet lightweight materials, making it both durable and agile. Controlling the Petoi Beetle is easy and flexible. You can use voice commands, a smartphone app, or even write your own code. It supports programming in C++, Python, or a block-based language. This means you can customize it to do almost anything you want. Want to add more features? The Petoi Beetle is upgradable. You can attach sensors or cameras to help it see and understand its surroundings. These add-ons open up even more possibilities for advanced tasks. But the Petoi Beetle isn't just fun, it's also a powerful learning tool. It's perfect for exploring STEM subjects, from engineering to artificial intelligence. It provides hands-on experience with robotics and coding, making learning interactive and exciting. There are two ways to get started. You can buy the Petoi Beetle fully assembled, or you can choose the DIY kit and build it from scratch. Building it yourself is a great way to understand how robots work and learn more about the technology behind them. Plus, you won't be alone in this journey. The Petoi Beetle has a supportive community of developers and users who are eager to share knowledge, solve problems, and help you get the most out of your robot dog. The STEM kit for the Petoi Beetle costs $241, while the Advanced Robotics Kit is priced at $1,269. Whether you're looking for fun or educational value, the Petoi Beetle is an amazing way to dive into the world of robotics. WalkON Suit F1. The WalkON Suit F1 is a revolutionary hybrid exoskeleton developed by South Korean companies KAIST and Angel Robotics. This wearable robot is designed to help individuals with paralysis in both legs walk again. What makes the WalkON Suit F1 stand out? It has two key features. It can walk independently and attach to the person using it. These capabilities provide significant assistance in the rehabilitation process. The development of the WalkON Suit F1 began in 2015, and over the years, it has become more powerful and intelligent. The team has added advanced features like new drive systems and an obstacle recognition system, enhancing the suit's performance. Their hard work and innovation have paid off. The team won a gold medal at Cyberon, an international competition for athletes with disabilities who use assistive technologies like bionic prostheses. The WalkON Suit F1 is not just a technological achievement, it's a step forward in helping people regain mobility and independence. Mariner X USV. While unmanned vehicles on land often grab the headlines, unmanned water vehicles are just as impressive, though they don't get as much attention. Take the Mariner X USV, for example. This unmanned boat is designed to assist researchers, offering a reliable tool for various marine applications. Though it reaches a top speed of 22 km per hour, It can operate autonomously for up to 25 days, making it an ideal choice for long-term missions. The Mariner X is equipped with GNSS satellite navigation, Wi-Fi, and LTE connectivity, allowing it to work seamlessly in various environments. It also features several cameras, providing real-time footage for monitoring or data collection. One of the standout features of this boat is its special rail system, which allows users to quickly install additional equipment like a winch or scientific instruments. The boat is 9 meters long and can be controlled remotely from a mobile station on shore or from another vessel. This versatility makes the Mariner X USV not only valuable to researchers and ecologists but also to the military. The boat can play a key role in ensuring the safety and security of ports and harbors, offering a useful tool for surveillance and monitoring.
The Helicat is a super cool mix of a helicopter and a catamaran. It's designed to zoom across the water, but also fly above it. Not only does it look awesome, but it's also built for speed and stability, even in choppy waters. It comfortably fits 3 people, but can hold up to 7, including the pilot. The cabin is waterproof, thanks to vinyl curtains that you can adjust as needed. You can choose between 2 engines, a 60-horsepower Yamaha that hits 31 miles per hour, or a 90-horsepower Honda that can go up to 44 miles per hour. The Helicat is 21 feet long, 10 feet wide, and weighs about 1.5 tons. It's perfect for water adventures, featuring gear for diving and fishing, like folding chairs, rod holders, and a fishing net. There's even an aluminum deck for diving. Sea Breacher is a shark-shaped watercraft that's part submarine, part jet ski. Despite its size, 16 feet long and weighing 350 pounds, it's incredibly agile.
MiniBig. No matter how advanced AI gets, the Japanese always seem to take innovation to the next level. Take this unique trailer, for example, created by a Japanese company for their local market. The MiniBig is a small, soapbox-like trailer that's surprisingly capable. Equipped with an outboard motor that delivers at least 5 horsepower, it can even conquer waves, making it perfect for water adventures. Despite its compact size, measuring just 4.4 meters long, 1.6 meters wide, and 1.9 meters high, the MiniBig is surprisingly spacious inside. It can comfortably fit up to 3 people. The manufacturers cleverly designed the interior to include not just furniture but also a fully functional kitchen. The MiniBig is a perfect example of how to make the most out of small spaces, combining practicality with comfort. This unique trailer is priced at around $14,500, making it an affordable option for those seeking adventure and convenience. My first failure. In an extraordinary blend of engineering and nostalgia, inventor and popular YouTuber Colin Furze took on a bold project. He aimed to transform a simple farm tractor into an all-terrain armored vehicle, the Rhino tank. This project was not just about creating something new, it was a tribute to the past. The Rhino was a concept for an all-terrain vehicle first created in the 1950s by Greek-American inventor Helicat. Furze sought to bring this unique vision back to life by adapting a regular tractor. Furze's version of the Rhino, affectionately dubbed the Rhino tank, honored the original design's aesthetic and functionality. One of the most striking features of the original Rhino was its massive, hemispherical wheels. Furze cleverly incorporated this design into his modern version, giving the vehicle a unique and memorable look. The ultimate goal was to make a vehicle that could handle any terrain. The Rhino was designed so that, as it sank deeper into the mud, it would actually gain more traction, allowing it to power through difficult landscapes. While the project was ambitious, it also came with its fair share of challenges. But Furze's dedication to blending innovation with history made this a fascinating attempt to revive a long-forgotten concept. Nisus Aero. Next up is the Nisus Aero, a gyroplane from Slovakia. This unique aircraft combines impressive performance with versatility. The Nisus Aero has a range of 500 kilometers and can reach a top speed of 195 kilometers per hour. It also boasts a payload capacity of 270 kilograms, making it suitable for both recreational and commercial flights. What sets this gyroplane apart is its ease of use. Piloting it is simpler than flying a helicopter, and the maintenance costs are lower too. One of the key features is its flexible internal system. You can customize the aircraft's electronics, Choose an engine with a power range between 141 and 160 horsepower, and even add a heating system for comfort in colder weather. The Nisus Aero is perfect for various applications. It's ideal for site surveys, remote equipment inspections, and even tourism. Plus, it can fly in all weather conditions, giving you the freedom to use it year-round. With a ceiling of 4.5 kilometers, this gyroplane can cover a wide range of tasks. The price of the Nisus Aero depends on the equipment you choose, but it starts at $150,000. For more detailed pricing, you'll need to inquire about the specific configuration you want. XL Blademate. The XL Blademate is a heavy-duty trailer designed specifically for transporting the massive blades of wind generators. This versatile trailer can be mounted on almost any vehicle and adjusted to accommodate different load sizes. One of its standout features is the unique hydraulic steering system. This system boosts safety and efficiency by automatically aligning and holding the axles in place. Even with its fully extended trailer, which measures about 180 feet in length, the XL Blademate remains highly maneuverable on the road. The steering system automatically rotates the axles, ensuring they stay perfectly aligned with the truck, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and curves. Gibbs Quadski, the ultimate land and water hybrid. The Gibbs Quadski is a remarkable hybrid vehicle that blends the thrill of a jet ski with the ruggedness of an all-terrain vehicle. Launched in 2006, this versatile ride can smoothly transition between land and water, grabbing attention with its distinctive design and impressive performance. Powered by a 1,293cc BMW engine, the Quadski delivers 140 horsepower and 87 feet lbs of torque, letting it reach speeds of 45 miles per hour, 72 km per hour, on both surfaces. Switching between land and water takes just about 5 seconds, thanks to its innovative marine jet propulsion system and retractable wheels. The Quadski also features a lifeguard board for extra comfort and has been used in real-life rescue missions. For instance, it helped a lifeguard save a young competitor who suffered an asthma attack during a race. BoomerBuggy X Pro. The BoomerBuggy X Pro, priced at $7,999, is a premium all-weather mobility scooter that takes comfort and convenience to a new level. Its fully enclosed cabin comes with built-in heating, air conditioning, power windows, locks, and even a sunroof, offering a luxurious and climate-controlled ride all year round. With a powerful 1,200W motor, this scooter can reach a top speed of 20 km per hour and handles inclines up to 20 degrees with ease. Powered by a 60-volt, 45-amp SLA battery, it provides an impressive range of up to 60 km per charge, making it perfect for longer trips. The BoomerBuggy X Pro also comes equipped with advanced features, including a full LED display, a rear backup camera, and a push and pull throttle for easy control. One of its biggest advantages is that it requires no license or registration, making it an accessible and convenient option for anyone looking for a reliable, feature-rich mobility solution. With its all-season design, the BoomerBuggy X Pro truly stands out as a top-tier mobility scooter. Nissan E4 Ramen Counter. Meet Nissan's playful invention, the E4 Ramen Counter. This creative project highlights the advanced capabilities of Nissan's E4 technology, inspired by the all-wheel control system in their Nissan Ariya. Imagine a server tray that moves seamlessly across a countertop. It's powered by twin electric motors and advanced control systems, just like those found in the Ariya. The result? A tray that glides smoothly, maneuvers turns, and even stops precisely, ensuring not a single drop of broth spills from your ramen bowl. This clever use of E4 technology demonstrates Nissan's ability to provide a smooth and controlled ride, even for a steaming bowl of noodles. While it's not something you can buy, the E4 Ramen Counter is a fun and inventive way for Nissan to showcase the benefits of their electric vehicle technology in an unexpected setting. Walmart's Advanced Truck, a glimpse into the future of transport. Walmart's Advanced Truck is an exciting glimpse into the future of transport, showcased as part of their latest vehicle innovation. This state-of-the-art hybrid tractor-trailer is designed to make a big impact with its sleek, aerodynamic design that cuts drag by 20%, leading to a 10% boost in fuel efficiency. It features a capstone turbine engine that can run on multiple fuels, including diesel, biofuels, and liquefied natural gas. Plus, the truck's use of lightweight carbon fiber reduces its weight by about 4,000 pounds. One of the standout features is its 45.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, which offers several driving modes. This includes an all-electric mode, perfect for quieter, zero-emission city driving. Although this truck is still a prototype and pricing details haven't been released, it represents Walmart's forward-thinking approach to making their fleet more eco-friendly. Blizz Wheel e-Scooter. The Blizz Wheel e-Scooter is the perfect companion for urban commuting. This ultra-light electric scooter is 70% lighter than many others, making it super easy to carry around and store. Just slip it into your backpack or desk drawer. Even though it's compact, it has the same ride height as larger scooters, so it's a breeze to handle. The scooter features a smooth polyurethane suspension for a comfy ride and dual motors for speedy acceleration. You can fold it completely for easy transport or halfway if you need to tow it. Plus, it's equipped with bright LED lights on the front and rear, and fully functional turn signals to ensure you're seen and safe on the road. Whether you're heading to work or just cruising around town, the Blizz Wheel e-Scooter is designed to make your ride efficient and enjoyable.